Yeah, guys, another trading session. So let me just open this trade. So this one is going down. I'm 100% about it. This one is going down. Guys, I'm back with you with this binary option trading session. And I'm using my own strategy as usual. Guys, if you're interested in learning my own strategy, I have a course in the description below. I invite you to go take a look at the course, try to learn my strategy, and yeah, hopefully you will get it. So as you can see here, I'm trading on iqoption. I'm trading euro USD OTC. I'm investing, as you can see, I invested $200, and I guess if my prediction is right, and yeah, euro USD drop down, I'm going to make at least $172. Yeah, as predicted, $172. All right, $172. So the next trade. So my strategy is basically is based on three indicators, sometimes four, but most of the time I use only three indicators. I use this one, the parabolic SAR, and the yeah. So this is indicating that, so this plus the RSI here plus the RSI indicate that this one is going up. So this is why I opened this trade. So the first time I opened a short position or a sell trade, and now I'm opening a long or a buy trade. All right. So if my prediction is right, guys, I'm making as you can see, $172. Yeah, $172. Yeah, great. As predicted, $172. So as I was saying, my strategy is based on some simple indicators like Bollinger Bands, like as you can see here, parabolic SAR and RSI here. Yeah, this is RSI. The way I use these indicators is simple. It's smart, but it's simple. You can learn the way I use the indicators from the course in the description below. I invite you to go take a look at the course, try to learn a thing or two, and hopefully with time you will be able to master this strategy. It will yeah, you will need to spend some time training on demo accounts, especially on demo accounts. I don't advise you to use your money or real account the first time. Give it time, and yeah, once you are comfortable, you are sure, you're confident, you can then you can start using real money. But the beginning, I invite you to go and use only. So some cases like this. So I missed this trade, but yeah, some cases like this. Sometimes you may say, "Oh, I'm losing," but you need to trust the strategy, right? You need to trust the strategy. So I'm saying that this strategy, this trade is a win, and I'm making $344. So that's 86% from an investment or $400 investment. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. Even if I'm losing $400, that's okay. I will. Yeah. So look. Last minute, last second. Hopefully, yep. Last second, as predicted, guys. Yeah, I made $344. Let's go. Let's try now. So so once you master the strategy, you will understand what I'm doing here. That's simple. Nothing is magical. Um yeah. All right. By the way, guys, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. I only teach my strategy. I teach binary option on my in my course, and that's it. I don't give financial advices because I'm not a financial advisor. So if you need a financial advisor, please look for a real financial advisor. I'm a trader. I make these videos for entertainment purposes only. So yeah, I guess this one. Yup. Yeah, another win. Amazing. Another beautiful win, right? Yeah. This one, yeah, this was risky. So if you know my strategy, you know that this one is risky. This one is risky. So I'm supposed to open a buy position, but look at the SAR, the parabolic SAR. This is saying that I'm having a lot. Yup, as predicted. As predicted, I made another $344. I still have two or three trades, two or three candles. So I predicted exactly the color of this candle, this candle, this one, and now I'm trading this one. So I hope that this one is going down, and I guess that my prediction would be right. Yeah, this one is going down. I'm almost 100%, so still have 19 seconds. If my prediction is right, I'm making $344. I invested $400. The expiration time is 1 minute. Yeah, I'm trading Euro USD ODC. Yup, as predicted, guys. Yeah, as predicted. So let's open another lower position or sell position. Here I predict that this one is going to be a red candle. If I'm wrong, I will stop the trade. If you're following, you know my my money management method. You know that I will stop the trade immediately after I lose here, because I made enough. Yeah, I made enough wins, enough profit. So if I'm losing this time, yeah, I'm quitting. But my prediction is right. See, this is a red candle. Red candle is being created. And yeah, I have nothing to lose here. Yeah, great. Still have 5 seconds. And yeah, amazing. $344. Let's go. Let's open another trade, guys. Let's open another trade. Yeah, I guess this one is gonna be the last one. So $400 as usual. Amazing. Yep. I guess this is it. This is it. Yeah, another win. And this is the last win. So see you later, guys.